Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is XT Juice. Tin yɛrɛ ban kana ti zaŋ bɔli lahibali ni yihi jɛm tin ya ki diri danfani nyɛ shɛli. Young Sharif, aw kana ti lihi weekend maa puuni Champions League nyɛla din mi. Ka Atletico Madrid mini Barcelona nyɛla ban kpe taba ni. Ka ATM daa baa nyɛ ban kpuɣi jaashi maa ka che go through to semi-final ka che Barcelona. A kpaŋmi puuni Barcelona red card maa daa che ka bi tooi bi go through maa bira ku nyɛla di mini bira ku bi nyɛ red card maa daa ATM daa nyɛla ban go through.
Okay, so before I am to no for you also comes a hang on Qatar can monitor the program or Yaku Pangsarva Evo Kudwala Kabur character. Champions League, one of the best 9 shanga Dimjan Dwellene, Caroso Channel Wapam, Zabi Dwellen, because of this kind of things, man, have been better Puno. Anka Tula second leg, ma. Amin Sony Mva, Carniala Amin was a hand on the training, probably around one place. The Tozu Mukuba Mia Dashia. I was so the Bapala Dalek and Dacheka Atletico Madrid, Tozung by Barcelona, Balne first leg man. Didn't Tabala advantage second leg man because second leg man Barcelona by winning, but still it was not enough. And it's one of the painful way to exist in a tournament. That win a match Karaka use. That was very useless win. But red card might affect Barcelona Bangona. Granted, that affected Bianca to this is the reason why Hansi Flick here come squad more they can win the Champions League one. Because it doesn't make sense. A Champions League quarter final, first leg, second leg, got two players they red card from the same team. It doesn't make sense. Carrying the same similar last player bringing down the last player and that Tukubas red card, no Lante Garcia red card. So it doesn't make sense. I don't know whether Bilim the experience currently in the last players might be, but they know the last player might don't just start the last player. How can pursue mobile football? He will fall down. I mean,
Barcelona play fans by United no Ngaland and Nigeria no Rab show be eating. When you book contacts, my Rakunya some slide Louis.
No, so we make argument nangara bela lupuni. Onyan kana angle share kutonye oda show. Because low my the last player if you defend now karanye you last player. That touch if can make you contact no matter how small a contact might be a red card. So Barcelona fans ninja kabashab make argument shall be yara nika gashi and any last player. No gashi I mean kundi rabela the same line. But there are two VAR check because the two VAR review all these kind of things. Didn't Karashinya la Gashi, I mean, Kundi, that be the same line. Karinya Kagashi and ye last player. Don't la carrot card in the end. But Bravo check and it happened. Sometimes referee decision to favor, sometimes go against her. So it's normal in football.
Abu Pam Karanye, maybe. Wilma,
Atletico Madrid.
No. Vama banji inside maybe brapon kunyela din yisham then da check up blanche and we check vabi maybe mara na money kare check before kana yina but no maybe dira pa foul ba maybe later on brana to review maybe kai man ka red card in here.
But I mean in some situations run to over referee but ko ignore it.
And mo go mala decision
va abandon nyam ya okay there's something here come and check referee my decision in here. Even though it will be unprofessional, never have a referee no to check him checking. It will be unprofessional. But referee man final decision. How referee man a chance to review over. Can decide no being overturned or decision. One could decide that's final.
Okay, so I believe did a parade karma. Barcelona go to semi-final.
Somehow they will have qualified. Even though score Mada Kunya than Daniel Shamaka, red card mark and a big calendar. It was a 2-1 scoreline before red card man. So last time Mazaha Atletico Madrid Dabia ahead of Barcelona. Then tuning red card man that can Barcelona qualified. But Atletico Madrid, this was the plan Diego Simeone shall on that plan shall no matter plan shall for the second. This was the plan. The plan was very simple. And before Kabia Mila second leg, my game in La Liga against Sevilla. We have bench like 9 players. 9 starting players who just because of one no qualifier ahead of Barcelona. And one of key weapons nyala Ademola Lookman because on la fast. No Bima la Guliano Simeone na Alvarez and this Solot. Last Solot mami always obiala bench. Dinnan ka gashi da abu taki Solot. There is a way ka Solot gbara and goal match. So this is two ways. So red card ma da na to bunnan. Ka Solot chante di goal ma karnan 2-2. These are 2 goals ka Atletico Madrid Palmeiras advantage. And high referee need to my player and to be red card now and still win a match. It doesn't mean anything. But Atletico Madrid plan da draw work benda zang plan shall na da work. Barcelona mistake da kunyame. Benda dila 2 quick goals ma draw to Barcelona concede. And me most of the season what in year Barcelona ba mala attack because strong defense. So then da na hamba because keep up with these 2 goals and Kichang extra time. Barcelona that keep up with that 2 goals, man. Extra time that ain't. And sometimes, but goal shall be consider a players my vim carry shade down. So that was very wrong no, to consider maybe last time immoral be high. We were believing that now la come back. All of a sudden you consider the goal. The moral will be down. So I don't think red card man that check Barcelona will qualify. I believe that Atletico Madrid tactical plan shall be in Canada. Supersede Barcelona done and Atletico Madrid qualify.
So I got the ATM. Be mean Barcelona 2 times be 3 times. Be with me. Be first league ma ATM punya bang ko into ba bi to kula na second league ma. Like she like she 8 I ko nyala maybe them bang 4 goals in da ba ka kan ti 3 ka ba na 1 ma mini qualify. Mama gbaza 2 ne ka blan kan ti di ka ba di 1 ka mini. Is it that like beaucoup to kunya la Barcelona be be o playing style on cover.
This is Simeone. O playing style on cover. The Simeone ma on be shama. Onyara football shell so no betihara. Do most lo try ni onen the win shall so no betihara ne rento. Because how on earth can explain come Atletico Madrid na dila 4 goals shell in the Copa del Rey. Atletico Madrid dan to win. How so dan Atletico Madrid to win Barcelona in that match. Drive sound well, but they win by 4-0. So the pelo ujila Barcelona umila Barcelona bet dinchang in a long run dabiang baro. Aibo maybe Ochantoni he opa feeling kama dabiang pagbago so opa try no protect to Marshall. And the best way behind the best form of defending is attacking. Anti attacking kapa kana na defending. That means our opponent ma pa to la so many chance no pa ko kam na attack la nyin dinya ma pa en clear so pressure pa en jin la zo and Atletico Madrid mi nirbo no pumbi ba sha ba special under Simeone era ngwa nirbo no pumbi ba sha ba ka ba Parker Bas you defend you ka ba miara anto kunya ka bina plus keeper ka ba kumia 10 players be in the box and 1 striker be 1 player kon kunyen tam top
4-4-2 ko da nyo.
So we plan ko ba.
Okay.
But now, Atletico Madrid na me formation shall 5-5. I mean, 5 defenders, 5 midfielders without an attacker. Under this Simeone, so
I don't know the yaro. Okay, check out the Paris mean Liverpool was have a match on. Liverpool they have jump Paris here. Captain Diva 2-0. Kabala unfold. Maybe so come there a hope pressure maybe miracle no be here equalize it. Captain Diva 2-0 ya have home. Captain bo piu one good ba. Akwa pun Paris be me share one like. Bentola defend the Champions League one.
Sure. Someone can be Champions League no matter chance no win a Champions League because semi-final by mistake you are final by mistake you are a winner. So and Paris small squad shall ban to win the Champions League for the second time. Yes. Because team shall ban that used last season. I can't tell you Fabian Ruiz couldn't absent because of injury. Team shall ban that used last season about number. So consistency they have been playing together. If not for any long, but for more than a year now. So so they can do it. But I got to use the last second leg against Liverpool now. It doesn't make sense. Be the proof from Kama and it's lot. I don't know. And it's lot. I don't know Kama won't take real inspiration from Lo Chapeau. Because over the weekend, man, Amiela Fulham and our two goal scorers, man, Mohamed Salah and Rio,
Yeah.
you decided to bench them when you need goals. Nivo Shaban the goal over the weekend, man. Kapa need the goals. Look at Rio. Rio, like how many minutes can that take Rio? We make fair shot on target. Well, in the first leg, Liverpool had 90 minutes without any shot on target. So I believe Liverpool Bamboo qualify by Liverpool not being able to score a goal, man. It's all down to Arne Slot. Sorry to say, but the man la so you Ochamka so you remove more than the to know the reaction. Because these are basic things. After you want a comeback. Salah 100% fit. You are putting Salah on the bench for who to score the goal. Isaac. Probably no save because my banko that can Europa through. So Rabba no save. October goals Kazan Mohamed Salah Gilbert. And you are starting Isaac. Isaac, it seems one goal Konko na didn't Liverpool also.
Two goals, one assist.
Whatever. Isaac 2 goals, 1 assist. British record signing player, and you are benching Mohamed Salah for this guy. Okay, if I put my trust on Isaac, he will do something for me. So, Karatito Nchangba, look at what he did. Actually, Gomez now. Game map a change in your favor. Kalani Gomez. Pushing Szoboszlai to the right back. Then that risky game go okay, oh yeah, defender can be attacker. Because he wants goal. We don't do that. That pushes Szoboszlai and chant Legi right back from Szoboszlai a goal can enter. It's not that Szoboszlai is a good player, but good position. But hands down Gomez. Then yeah, sometimes Anto player can enter my bad game. It's normal. It's understandable. But Gomez that a bad game. Would have performed that bad. So what's the essence of you taking him out again? Kacheka Florian vs Kube Parkman doing absolutely nothing. McAllister, what? At the end of the day, Eketike World Cup hopes is gone. All because of a selfish interest. Eketike won't to run your World Cup. So that's bad on Arne Slot. And probably at the end of the season, Liverpool never Chelsea.
So Akwamu Choko try next season. Better.
There's no logical reason why Liverpool should start Arne Slot.
So Kabula kind of didn't Chelsea.
Didn't Chelsea because my Chelsea do bank to the Vineyard Hankal to deal because Uncle Del Maresca and Mama Hankal and most of Chelsea fans they weren't in support of it. Not performance related. And it's not going to have a son Liverpool. On a builder team, he's still building a team, so you need to give him a time because Georgian club that was done one season for trophy for sure. And it's not first season could win a Premier League shall Arsenal need Chelsea for 3 seasons. Can I second Cavadon? So it's not a child's play, and it's not probably they should give him more time. And he always had to so you could drop because as a manager, did he to so you're can because you are a human being, but sometimes you need to be more professional than us one of our generation.
Okay. You cannot tell Arsenal was sporting. Arsenal and you bunch sporting and it's 1 year. Sporting power now. Can we 0-0 draw? I come up when Arsenal are trying to do a good share. Like but captain can have young combat. But I am like dance be just a Kuraku Kongba.
La goal, I don't have a bone of Madame Goal. I went in that kind of time, sure. Last minute goal. Last minute got sport and lose concentration, cast Nigeria. But round of quarterfinals, man. Quarterfinals, man, is a match shall be no boring to Pagas. Both first leg and second leg.
Because 0-0 draw.
Match shall be no very boring. Especially, no, Arsenal Lanka home. My benefit of that chance to Warren Park. So, that home, so,
I would say I'm to Chamoto.
Injuries. Injuries wasn't necessarily the reason why Arsenal would goal. Because never creativity, Shelvin the environment, they had it. Because a better is there. and a better chase than a cana, but it to pagar Odegaard. No Odegaard Miara Saka lane. So a better chase is more creative than Odegaard, and he was there. Declan Rice, the whole team was there. It was Angat will normally be starting 11 Julian Timber. Yes, Julian Timber and Daku Kanma. Because season was Saka will see your top. Madueke is better than Saka on that
season
wing.
Saka. So inshallah kabra.
So the Arsenal ban team are Kobian. Brakam, I'm sure they just wanted to qualify. Whichever way, they just wanted to qualify. We made us qualify.
So I can hope never to know we shot.
Team Shelby and me, Atletico Madrid is unpredictable.
But my happened no
4-0.
4-0.
So then Atletico Madrid is not unpredictable because I am compare Arsenal in your ball. There are too many walk over at Atletico Madrid never did. But because they are unpredictable. Arsenal anyway. Don't talk made this dirty football man. The next match against Atletico Madrid, Carmela wish and kudos they acknowledge this. For the first time in Arsenal history, Bunkwa team this is the first time Arsenal chang semi-final and Patawa consecutively.
2 times.
2 times. This is the first time. Bunkwa team this is the first time. All credit to Arteta.
Then no, they will tune up.
Even Arteta no lose Champions League Premier League, they will tune up. Because he has achieved something Arsenal coach so Nigerian achieve.
Can't come out team Marco to me you couldn't build their place back. I could to poke up.
Or build that team up till now, my team they are still building the team. But never building now.
Oh, how many years in Belon can anyone?
Oh, how many years? So years cover my team.
No, like all the time I couldn't come out in Premier League some due to last games lose the car.
Say Alex Ferguson, the legendary Manchester United Alex Ferguson. I mean they didn't take a year before going for first trophy. Did I take more than 5 years going
so that team come Arsenal.
He was also building the team. Over I build the right team. You know patient with him. But he's one of the greatest because some Pep Guardiola nation. I believe him Guardiola is the greatest. I will bet. And can in a way winning 13 Premier League trophies, a single manager, Premier League 13 times. So he's one of the greatest. But always Arsenal he will also pass through that. So Arsenal fans Zango solo. Arteta na build the team every season Arsenal will be a Champions League, no matter what. But back then Arsenal ran 3 seasons back up Champions League they are not qualifying. So Arsenal Panyela Champions League team, whether you want it or not, even to a point, Liverpool defending champions, can fight and no Champions League, Arsenal won't qualify here. This is all credit to Arteta. So the thing could send Magna Kama over 4 trophy, so therefore over Carmo. So only Arsenal no matter who you are, even Anya Real Madrid and you are playing against Arsenal, you know that you are going to play a tough team. All credit to Arteta.
Okay, chaka tele by Madrid match. Madrid fans akunye bam mel hope that maybe no la come back until Kamavinga and you red card mo. Akwamo Pune then the separate card mark. But around to win the game. Very sako millimeter champion atters. Because we game man and I say this is a predictive bamboo with Jaka Labs and Sakunya.
Extra time Agbama win by in a way. Because Madrid Nato made the edge to go over Bayern Munich, Bande Chang extra time. But that was very stupid to the highest degree on the part of Kamavinga. The first yellow card, clear yellow card, but second yellow card was a controversial yellow card. But sometimes, any player, there's a reason why Kababon were professionals. You need to be professional at all costs. The couldn't get referee mistake Shelty and Diaka can't explanation because referee my decision and that's fine. So I got to give the Madrid this absolute match with high hopes. Kamavinga, you have been in the Kamavinga be a team and Adagula.
Sure.
But look at Adagula. The last time trashing to Madrid need Adagula so much he will deliver. Look at free kick Shalon Sadi Couture. Almighty Couture. Almighty Neuer there. Sorry.
No.
Manuel Neuer. One of the greatest, because Xavi and Oliver Kanye the greatest. But in generation, Manuel Neuer is the greatest goalkeeper. but Vilmos a deal free kick. I do other good normal quality. So Camavinga, you look at these small boys on the biggest stage, they are comporting themselves. So behind, look at what you did.
So answer kwama Camavinga red card mo say deserve me something red card.
Somehow mistakes are better. So because Haaland and you referee my reaction after the second yellow card man. Referee my yellow card, second yellow card man. I can Bayern Munich players man draw your attention. Come out open my yellow card. So referee my then this abuse attention. Camavinga was already booked. Laden must have been necessary because it was very soft for it to be a second yellow card. And considering la kind of game, a high tempo game now, no, on a normal day, we understand me. They understand and aware that Camavinga Pumbala one yellow card or Sananto would two yellow card. But all in all, you don't make those challenges. I don't know Musiala Vogo the parachuting opportunity from the midfield man, the Paga 18-yard box number. So why will you cause that foul? It wasn't necessary. First one happening necessary, second one happening necessary. You are not there to play with your players. I come then at me ball, play your football and leave them. So that was very wrong on Camavinga part. The means of course Madrid the whole game. Because answer you in Madrid is start the game with spirit Chelma. Madrid yeah, Kaba equalize Madrid Kaba equalize. So as at the time shall Camavinga is a red card. Madrid sana Madrid band plan sana welcome because think extra time we still have the players but to push it over. So match man and Michael Olise interview ni oyalem kama red card man is akukana they said to yourself that this is their time, this is their moment. Capture taking moment. So that was very wrong. Ngomanguna Camavinga bankuko manga. You swung by Munich Madrid.
But ma also not to red card man maybe Kawakuan Madrid miracle.
There's no way. Sometimes yeah. The word player man an important thing but kama Agba kama didn't say kunyar ball with Camavinga. Agba must say because who like a professional player on cause this kind of mess. A professional footballer. So if can they be Real Madrid decision making team, the three will Camavinga for the next 2 months. Very simple. Open mistake on this biggest stage. We are playing for Real Madrid, the biggest club in the world. We are playing in the Champions League quarter final.
Mbappe going to
no, Mbappe no. Vinicius wanted to know, but Mbappe cannot do that. Mbappe he's a professional.
Asuma Camavinga professional.
Mbappe because Mbappe Mbappe can on park no, can no to Makayo.
So
because he got them the good.
But Marsa Kutuno maybe Kauko prove that
they were not playing against RTU. Make RTU Cap Samira, Bayern Munich Cap Samira, and Bayern Munich Banyala team shall Bambe form. So Camavinga and Sakukwa the Yaron.
Okay,
and then me Berlin as a shambalo. Tuesday, my Madrid fans and Dalara.
No.
Wednesday, young Barcelona fans. So this is football for you.
I cannot tell you, Monday, Manchester United, you mean this Daniel Avani. Manchester United, we could join me for almost 1 month, but we could rest in the hall, coming this that in Monday, at least 20 by Parozo. I come from another starting lineup, share you know, I didn't actually come to be like Biraku me a volatile diva. Baby red card man that course reserve. Bamili Gamar Mala Brapin Zvala
Brapin game can do red card.
Marami Gazabian. Bamaran red card.
Brananton come back for sure. Brananton come back. But la Indran for 24 days, in a way, the Antonio advantage in a way carrying a disadvantage. Because football, I need practice. You need to be practicing every day. The more you play together, the more team jailer together. So resting for 24 days, almost a month before playing a game, that was in a way the disadvantage. Very one of the reasons why Kaman would lose that match, and anchor to you the selection of the coach. And this is one of the reasons why Kaman believe Man U at the end of the season de tout ne chapsel Michael Carrick ko kulna Michael Carrick jouera media pressure de simple no kunyesha o jouera media pressure because of Sesko Pierre na bench and te dire goals kala les so-called legends of Manchester United Lampard nim ne chant le coach nima on kurbu ka ta trebama ka shab yel ne pandix nyaba and they are there criticizing la pandix ma be there talking why Rooney no coaching ni yang shama they are there talking because of Opianate di goal. We have been seeing super subs, players who are super sub, and Divock Origi is an example. Orapa is starter in Liverpool game, but he scored important goals for Liverpool.
For sure.
So Anto my player, so yeah, he's a super sub. Then to me, I can zone he will save us. So right now, Man U need football, Shelma. Be right now, and Sheskoma, or Omala super sub to Man U because whenever we can from bench, will make right impact. Keep it that way. Just keep it that way. What was the reason why I am benching in Buemo? On what basis?
Because my bunny could starting lineup.
I'm going to the Shelker worker. I continue doing that. Imagine he's Ozuarala media pressure. Then you to now coach a big club like Manchester United. Career media and dictator trying on the version.
So more to one of a million.
The polo to one of a million.
Because on the million now question Shaban yellow cooperation yellow goes
on our pago and palo shapulo to make this kind of huge decisions. Then Davian Mambala. Sometimes ka age ma yulmu Xabi Alonso. This is one of the reasons for the reason Shandan Xabi Alonso Real Madrid because Obobar no bow down to la unnecessary pressures. Just do your work. And then the Shelker worker drama continue doing it.
Okay, chat can tell Bernardo Silva. Bernardo Silva young
but before catching Bernardo Silva la Man U match so everybody can see next season, whoever come and Zana, they will be in a very big trouble. La manager so Zana. Unless Kaman Union ready, never signing huge players. Because how on earth can you come at this level? Casemiro need the best midfielder in Man U.
Always a end of the season.
Bruno attacking midfielder, but midfielders who turning the la hold up play mean la dirty works man. Casemiro is that player for Man U, and he's leaving in next season.
But my land never chances on Sonakote.
Are you the me when that day, man? Ugati. I don't know how Ugati managing in your professional
football. Because I do very
so next season, Man U shaving they need to sit up.
But I'm not talking about next season. Can change.
Capital players.
I know
if they are willing to spend. If they are willing to spend, because the players available, the players Shabumbono, you can get them. And but my lot bet season no cartesian he paying parley Jason and Lavriera. That's a normal man. Jangwara pay pack and keep Jangwara poison new poison. So I don't have all my sister Alex Vegas and Kito Corona because in Euro last year everyone is able for something. So where's the money? There's no money anywhere.
Ma bumpa bende no qualify for champion after sharing new sponsorship kala
Sure.
So Bernardo Silva when you anoint that the ending of the season when you long yencha. Akpambu pun Bernardo Silva uchenwa. Ona new Europe be like obaza akuni chang with the Pirates Saudi maybe US MLS no one. Do now on Akpam Europe.
Bernardo Silva na mal quality shali in Europe. It's left on to one Bernardo Silva. But then man Bernardo Silva, I will go for money. I will do two say I will patch on to Bolar. Because and then win of Shaq comes and you have achieved it because you have won the Champions League. Maybe don't do you have won the Premier League multiple times. And Bernardo Silva me or respect to man the to na gbabel o shapula ha na binye nyana. So respect to man seeing Man City ni chante dar players Mark and Nashama Gonzalez, Reinders mean all those players. The two road regular papilo man advice. Because even by next season, Aldinye Kagajola and Man City coach. Rodri Kumala next season, no prove man Baker Man City Paco drop. But Man City that Jack Grealish 100 million. Ka drop o Guardiola mbala.
No,
He doesn't care how much could that ho. Our impact can umbara. So Bernardo Silva is a very good thing, and he's a very big legend in the Manchester City setup because of all huge contributions in La Man City team. But Hal Bernardo Silva never no chanting any team, any team.
because
He
the
can
man
still play.
31 years now.
31 years, and there are teams in Europe Kababuru because Inter Milan is one of the teams Shangabang Bankardolo. So teams Bambe Europe Kaburu, but it's all left onto him when he make a decision. And players who are at this stage of their career, man, there's no way you still want to play in the in Europe because there are so trophies Carabao now winning Cabo winner. Anything you have been playing for, you have won everything. So it's high time ka. But decision ma is left on to una. Shabian be miarmo for you. Bo be impact to create a good name. Ka shami bion miarmo to make the money. Kama Oscar Ndael shama ne young bujela. So therefore at that young age can we chance China to bro. So however, Bernardo Silva is a legend of the game. And we wish him the very best of luck. We enjoy a lot of time. And as Bernardo Silva na take Liverpool team, man, he will make a very big difference. Liverpool midfielder ngon kaba.
Almost.
McAllister Jim staff nearby.
Ka grave big bien, ka subu slavia.
Gravenberg only be young or join northern top dancers. By
the time the last season, I didn't grave no chicken.
No, last season he was very good. Mbolo Master Pedri. Mel Pedri Master Gravenberg or Mel Gravenberg Master Pedri.
And on the Grave Master Pedri.
No, Bumboka Pedri Mel so special character and he's bigger than Gravenberg.
Last season. Well, I Rangolo Guru goals mean tap Mazavi.
Teach him to statistics mean numbers. Maka goals, so it's not about goals. As a holding midfielder, you have your primary responsibility. And Gravenberg down, Pedro no could execute all duties well. Barcelona last season, Gravenberg that pala one of the key players influencing Liverpool Premier League win of last season.
No, I remember McAllister.
McAllister have just a yellow card. You can go and check it. Last season, Liverpool set up and where that day yellow card young McAllister. On that day yellow card comes out. So what's there? Gravenberg, last season, he was very good. Last season, we ran me ball, but season, I'm sure maybe Wumson, because every match he's been there. Every match, the coach is not resting him. Probably D'Antonio one of the reasons why the 04 match and the Liverpool team has a Hanokul Blanc result your team match and but to end on Bernardo Silva issue, maybe things in one way or the other, then turning at the to Paris limits, my wake at the to Parva. But didn't at the to Parva. Let me look at the camera. Van Dijk, the two Naga advisor, was the two narrating Liverpool Cartel legend. So Van Dijk should also advise himself.
I'm
No, the two no advice woman. Kayi Carmela come out and I'm something.
Boko nunca like advice woman catcher.
No, advice woman catcher. I don't
because Mona on a kunyang performer
on a performer because performance in that Chairman City did to 4-0.
They just the undergroup.
Magaman yellow, you are the
undergroup.
Van Dijk, come on, the Mala modern day defending my farm catch you. On a old age. Because all Ireland that used to cause and win a penalty share. But Macrinos could win a lap penalty. Macrinos but make a beautiful from that. Halman you Lenny Euro couldn't reckless cow. Lenny Euro won't cause this kind of penalty. I'm a experience. You have the experience. You have been there. How many years in Balaka Abbey in the English league? And you are just making these simple tackles, unnecessary tackles. So similar incident, Liverpool in Paris match, man. McAllister, Pachu that McAllister, yeah, Kababa penalty, Cabra and Paris, Kabala penalty. To Pachu that wo ye shell you man that Van Dijk, but why? Omin O'Reilly case, man. You don't put your legs there. Abba, come on, things. You are professionals. We can't be telling you this.
Donc on a un on a final.
No, Van Dijk you should
So
advise.
an le ma Van Dijk ne chon ka wen go replace Liverpool.
Why come I Liverpool sporting director?
Non ko bo ma kama akwa mo fun bi an yap fun.
There are so many defenders. There are so many defenders.
Ka go performer. Kan to ko fixing ku the two.
Liverpool will need a big name player. Liverpool need a player who to execute all duties well. Simple. Sometimes I chant team Karen to that player. Think chant that Florian Wirtz na la Karama was there to show. Alexander Isak with that huge money was there to show. Most of the big money transfers, man, and I can still count on Neymar at Paris was there to show. Jack Grealish 100 million, but I don't know. And Uzuma Yunaga, good. Real Betis no good, man.
Anthony.
That huge money, Bukhari Coulson to Man United. So, like huge transfers, man. Sometimes it's not about the money that you pay. How could China come out? Even Liverpool need championship. They can see quality midfielders when you told that 1.5 million, and they will perform better than Van Dijk. Van Dijk is out of form. So there are so many options. My Liverpool that jacket. With the jacket in your down.
No.
So maybe next season jacket nekana.
Muna mi balo mi balo.
No, and that small guy so but they injured.
Italy.
So Liverpool there's future.
For sure.
There's future.
Então colera choka things at jima. Dinya first time bolo kanye bi nyo flu im kala ka tinya ba mai mo pom na titiya.